Hi friends, very good morning. Today's topic is types of number. What is number? What is number? Let me know first. Do you know what is number? Number is used for counting anything. For counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, like this, so on. Okay. So here today's topic is types of number. Okay. Now here first first number is natural natural numbers natural numbers natural numbers are all the counting number all the counting numbers are called natural numbers started from 1 started from 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 10 up to infinite. Okay, these are called natural numbers. Next is whole numbers. Whole numbers means including all the natural numbers, all the natural numbers, including zero. Here means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are called whole numbers. Now next is, first is natural number, second is whole numbers, next is integers, next is integers. This is the collection of positive, negative and zero. Collection of, this is the collection means set of positive, negative numbers and zero. Positive, negative and zero. Like here, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the collection of negative, positive and zero. This set is called integers. Now next is fourth. Fourth and fifth are very important here. Rational and irrational numbers. Fourth is rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers means, listen, first A, here terminating numbers. First is terminating numbers. Terminating means which has a which has ending point. Suppose 3.569. So here 1, 2, 3 digits are there only. So this is called terminating number. Terminating means the end. Okay. Next is suppose 14.5698713. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. So this is also also called terminating number. Terminating number. Next is B. Next is B. Non-terminating. Non-terminating but repeating. But repeating. But repeating it. Like an example, suppose 5.363636 dot 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 dot. Okay, so this is non-terminating number, non-terminating but repeating. That means 363636. So we can write here 5.36 bar. 5.36 bar. That means this is called rational number also. Both are rational numbers. Next example here. Suppose 13.5777 dot dot dot. That means 13.57 bar. 57 bar. Okay, so these are called rational numbers. First is terminating. Second is non-terminating but repeating numbers are called rational numbers. Next is irrational number. Next is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, non-terminating and non-repeating number are called irrational numbers. Example here. Suppose 8.356 305. Okay, here 3005, 30005, 30005 and 3 so on. Okay, so this number is called non-terminating number. Non-terminating. There is no ending point. There is no ending point of this number. That means it is called non-terminating number and non-repeating. Look here, 305, 3005, 30005, 30005, so on. That means this is non-terminating and non-repeating number. This number is called rational number. Okay. Next example is suppose 5.03, 003, 0003, 00003, so on. So these are called irrational numbers. Okay. Now next type of number called even numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers means which are divisible by 2, which are exactly divisible by 2. Okay, means if the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Suppose example here 3, 4, 8. So this is 8. This is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. That means this is even number. Next example is here 506. This is 6. Okay. Now next is odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers means if the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That means not exactly divisible by 2. Not exactly divisible by 2. Here example here 3, 8, 1. This is 1 here. So this 381 is not divisible by 2. Okay. Next example here 23, 87 like this, so on. So now here these all numbers are called real numbers. This four natural, four integers, rational and irrational, even and odd numbers. This all are called real numbers. Okay, thank you.